Третий класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Страница 12-13. English. Spotlight 3. Homework page 12, 13. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 12. 12. Exercise number 1. Sing along. 1, 2, 3, 4. Time to go to school once more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Get your school bag. Don't be late. 9, 10. Get your pen. Come with me, it's school again. Спой песенку. Once more, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Time to go to school once more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Get your school bag. Don't be late. 9, 10. Get your pen. Come with me, it's school again. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Listen and repeat, then count and say 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Прослушайте и повторите, затем посчитайте и скажите ответ. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1 plus 8 is 9. 3 plus 7 is 10. 8 plus 7 is 15. 10 plus 9 is 19. 9 plus 5 is 14. 3 plus 5 is 8. 9 plus 11 is 20. 2 plus 2 is 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 plus 2 is 11. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 13, 13. Exercise number 3. Listen and repeat. E. P is a lot of fun for me. 10 red pens are on the desk. Послушайте и прочитайте. P is a lot of fun for me. 10 red pens are on the desk. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Copy the table and complete it. Перерисуй таблицу в тетрадь и заполни ее. E. 3. C. We. 3. A. Yellow. Pen. Teddy. Pencil. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Good morning, the best to you this morning. How are you? How are you? I hope you're feeling fine and happy all the time. Good morning, the best to you this morning. How are you? How are you? I hope you're feeling fine and happy all the time.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.